In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PayPal app. We're going to do this right from your computer's web browser using the built-in Install as App option, which gives you a clean app-like PayPal window that opens quickly and stays separate from your other tabs. First, open a web browser on your PC. Any modern browser will work, but this feature is most commonly available in browsers like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Make sure the browser window is active and you can see the address bar at the top. Next, go to the PayPal website. In the address bar, type paypal.com and press Enter. Take a quick look to confirm you're on the official site with a secure connection indicator next to the address. You don't need to sign in to install the app interface, we just need the site loaded in the browser. Now, look to the top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This menu button can be small, so move your mouse slowly and click it once to open the full list of options. From here, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. In some browsers, you might see Save and Share, or a similarly named section. Don't click yet, just pause your mouse over this area so the submenu expands. This is where the browser's Site as App tools are grouped. In the expanded menu, click Install as App. You may see it described as Install PayPal or Install Page as App, depending on your browser. Selecting this tells your browser to create a standalone app window for the PayPal site, so it launches like a regular desktop app. A small confirmation box will appear. Click Install to confirm. The browser will do the rest. It will create the app, add a shortcut to your start menu, and often open the PayPal window right away in its own clean frame without the usual browser address bar. That's it. You now have a quick, dedicated way to access PayPal directly from your desktop. The next time you want to open it, search your start menu for PayPal or look for the new shortcut your browser created. If you don't immediately see the Install as App option, menu names can vary slightly between versions, so make sure you're on the main PayPal page in a supported browser and check that same three-dot menu again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the faster, app-style PayPal experience on your PC.